Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to answer the 5 most asked questions on my TikTok page. I'm going to start with the least asked question to the most asked questions and stay around to the last question. Okay, so before starting with the 5 most asked questions, I want to address 2 things. One thing is I'm almost at 100 subscribers. At the time of making this video, I'm at 99 subscribers, and I want to thank all of you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. You make it possible for me to share the love of knife making. And the second thing is I've got a new dog.
Hey, Dora.
Now that is out of the way, let's start with the 5 most asked questions on my TikTok channel. So the first question is, where do you start with knife making? What tools do you need? Where do you start? Where do you learn? And I already have a YouTube video on the 5, I think it's the 5 or 10 best tools to buy for a beginner knife maker, and then you can watch the other videos on my channel showing you how to make knives for a beginner, and you can also watch other people's YouTube channels to see how to make a first knife, so you can learn the basic skills of knife making. So I forgot to mention, I'm gonna put a few clips of the vacation, the December vacation, in this video so you can see what I did and what we did and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so the second question I get asked a lot is, do you make Damascus knives? And no, I don't make Damascus knives. I can make Damascus knives. I can't make the actual steel, but I can buy the Damascus steel in which pattern I want. But I don't make it because it's very, very expensive to use. I don't want to mess expensive steel up. And there's not really a big market for it, I think. I personally don't like Damascus that much. I much prefer a mirror polish on my knives. But maybe down the road I will start making Damascus knives. So the third question I get asked a lot is, what is my favorite tool to use, or my most used tool? And that is my belt sander from Arab's Knife Making. It is a really good tool, high quality, easy to use, and you have a lot of adapters to put on it to put out different functions with the machine. So that is the most used tool I have in my workshop, definitely. So up high on the list now, we're on the second most asked question on my TikTok channel. And before I answer both of these questions, I just want to have you subscribe to my channel and comment questions down below so I can make more of these videos answering your questions. Okay, so the second most asked question is, what sharpening system do I prefer? There are so many sharpening systems out there, it is really hard to choose a favorite one out of all those. Everyone has a different function or different group of people to target. Like if you have a big budget, a small budget, big knives, small knives, axes, whatever, there are a lot of knife sharpening systems out there, but my favorite sharpening system out there is the Lansky sharpening system. It is a really old system, but it still works really good. I have made a YouTube video about the Lansky sharpening system, and I think 3 or 4 other sharpening systems, comparing it to price and how good it works and what you use it for and everything like that. So go and watch that video if you are interested in sharpening system. Okay, so you made it to the most asked question on my TikTok channel and on my YouTube channel actually, and that is, how much do I sell my knives for? And my knives go from 850 Rand to 1,500 Rand. Everything in between there, depending on the knife, the handle, how big the knife is, what the finish on the knife is, everything. But I sell my knives from 850 Rand to 1,500 Rand, and that is the most asked question I get through and through on my TikTok and on my YouTube channel. So there you have it. That is the 5 most asked questions I get on my TikTok channel, answered in one short video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before you go, please hit the subscribe button and comment down below a question, or which question do you hear the most. If you have a channel, a TikTok page, and if you're a knife maker, you can put comments down below and I will make a video addressing how to make those problems go away, or how to make handles or anything. So put them down below and leave a like and a subscribe, please.